Hello friends, well hello friends. Now welcome to English class lesson 2 and part 2. Special attention needs to be paid to verbs to be formed. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has and had are called verbs formed in of the to be. Their forms change according to their persons in the singular number जिसे हम एक वचन कहते हैं. But in the plural form जिसे हम हिंदी में बहुवचन कहते हैं, they remain same with all persons. In below given chart, the things will be clear to you all. Please read and keep in the mind this to be form to become perfect in English language, very important. In this chart, in three columns, these things have been divided. First subject, second column singular जिसे हम एक वचन कहते हैं, थर्ड वन इज प्लूरल जिसे हम बहुवचन कहते हैं. तो इन सब्जेक्ट first is the first person where we use as I am, I was. In plural, in the case of plural, we use we are, we were. Same way in the subject when we talk about the second person as per the singular case, here the things as you are, you were, and in plural case you are, you were. In case of singular as well as plural, in second person things the verbs are remain same. Now coming to the third point, that is third person. When we talk about the third person in singular, we call it it is, it was, he is, he was, Ram goes, Ram went. These things are as per singular number, whereas in plural we call them they are, they were. Okay, now we will move to next slide. But I will request you all to keep in mind this very important chart so that you will become very grammatically correct and fluent in English language. So we'll move to next chart. So in English class lesson 2 part 2, point number 3, the following are the singular ekvachan and plural bahuvachan forms of word to be and has and have. In singular, in here are two columns. On left side it is a singular it's a singular ekvachan. On the right side it's a plural bahuvachan. In singular column, is, am, was, are, has, have are used for the singular subjects, whereas on the right hand side column in plural form the verbs are, were, are, have. So in plural we use are, were, are, have. Now point number 4, will, shall, would, should always have have after them. They never take has whether the subject is singular or plural. It's very important. Once again I repeat, in point number 4, when will, shall, would, should always take have after them. They never take has whether the subject is singular or plural. Following examples will clear your above said concept with full clarity. Now friends, in English class lesson 2 part 2, we will see the examples of have. Example number 1, I shall have a new ball. Example number 2, we shall have new bats. Example number 3, He will have a new badminton racket. Example number 4, they will have a new balls. Thus, according to rule 1, as discussed above, if required, please rule 1 above once more to get clarity. Point A, if the subject is in first person means I, singular vachan, singular ekvachan, और प्लूरल नंबर बहुवचन द वर्ब जिसे हम क्रियापद कहते हैं विल बी अकॉर्डिंगली इन द फर्स्ट पर्सन मीन्स आई सिंगुलर वचन सिंगुलर एक वचन और प्लूरल बहुवचन नंबर फॉलोइंग आर द illustrations will make you to understand easily above matter. I am late. We are late. Point number 3, I love children. Point number 4, we love children. So friends, in this slide, English class lesson 2 part 2, point number B. If the subject in second person means you. Singular number ek vachan or plural number bahuvachan, the verb that is kriyapad will be accordingly in the second person means you. Singular number or plural number. The following are illustrations for second person with verb applicable. Point number 1. Example number 1 rather. You are a sports person. Here you as a singular number. Example number 2. You are all brave soldiers. Here you as a plural number. Example number 3. Please you go there. Here you as a singular number. Example number 4. Please you all go there. Here you referred as plural number. I hope you have understood the concepts of singular number and plural number in this example. Important note, but keep in mind this important note. It should be remembered that in English language I and you are used as if they are in plural number. Therefore I takes am in present tense and was in the past tense. So friends, in English class lesson 2 part 2, as per the point C, we are talking about third person. If the subject is in third person means he, she, it, and the names of person like Ram, Sham, Ramesh, Anil, Virendra, etc., and the names of animal tiger, lion, peacock, elephant, dog, and cat, etc. Singular or a plural number. The verb will be accordingly in the third person. Third person means he, she, it, and the names of person and or names of animal. Singular vachan or singular ekvachan or plural number bahuvachan. Following sentences illustrate the perfect use of subject related to with the proper verb applied. Example number 1. He is very poor. They are very poor. So when we refer about the single person, is used here. Whereas in example number 2, when we refer about many people, so we use are as a verb here. Same way, example number 3, he reads a book. Here a single person is reading a book. That's why reads a verb is used here. In example number 4, they read books. They read books means many people are reading books. That's why we used read as a verb here. Example number 5, he has a new car. Example number 6, they have new car. So here a single in example number 5, here the person is single. That's why we used has as a verb here. Whereas in example there are many people, those who are owning this car. That's why we have used have in this sentence as a verb. So you read it once, twice, thrice. If you have any doubts, you can comment in comment box. If any query or doubt, I will surely sort out and make it clear to you. So friends, now in coming to this slide, English class lesson 2 part 2, here is an exercise for you to learn English. I hope if you try to solve these exercises, certainly you will be able to learn English language very correct in correct way and very fluently. So here are 12 examples, 12 exercises rather given to you where the verb form are not correct. So you have to find out as per the principles earlier we discussed and studied and make correction in their verbs, verb forms. Okay, we'll move to next slide. Friends, in this slide also English class lesson 2 part 2 B. Here also we have given few exercise to you to make you perfect in English language. Fill in the blanks in the following sentence with the correct verb form from those given in the brackets. So you have to choose one of the correct verb for every each and every sentences. The answers are given below, but try to solve yourself so that your confidence will grow up in learning English language. Thank you.